Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create motion texture, text effect, intro using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. Okay, and we're going to create a text video. So we can select the blank clip and then click on the check mark. And after that, we're going to add text to this project. So we can click on the text menu and then select add text. And for me, I'm just going to type in text intro. Oops, sorry. You can change the font if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that and make it bigger just a little bit. And I'm going to increase the duration. Okay, now it's time to save this video. We can click on the export menu and we're going to save the video first. Okay, hold on. All right, and now we're gonna make new project on InShot. You can click on create new and then you can import the text video you have just saved. Okay, this one, and then I'm going to add the motion texture video. We can go to the PIP and then go to the InShot material, and usually the motion texture video is here, but I don't know where is it. I don't know what it is. Here we can't get the motion texture video, so I decided to download it from the internet. So I'm gonna go back to the PIP, and this is the motion texture video I have just downloaded. We can click on this autofill and I'm going to adjust the duration. Okay, and then I'm going to blend this motion texture back to the text video. I'm gonna click on blend, and then we're going to choose darken. Okay, and this is the result, but wait, I think I need to add animation to make it more captivating. I'm going to add the zoom out animation. Okay, like this guys, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create motion texture, text effect intro using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!